In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to transform a normal video to a pixel art video with AI. So to do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI. That is a platform that you can try for just $1 to create AI videos. And here you need to create an account. After you create the account, you will arrive here. And here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, we are going to use the model Omni Flash. Now in the duration, I'm going to use 10 seconds because my original video is 10 seconds long. And now we have to click here. Now we are going to select our video. In this case, it's this one. So let's click here. And here where it says describe your video, we're going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. So now we have to click here and finally click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result. So now let's see it.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all. The fit, the flow, the lightweight fabric. It's the best I've ever had. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the video. It looks like a pixel art video. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that the prompt is going to be in the comment section and that you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. After saying that, see you in the next video.